Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and hope you are liking the video so far. The first video in this Alaska series was out of order, showing the stunning visuals during the White Pass and the Yukon excursion. This video is a log of our check-in process the first day at sea on the Princess Cruise. We opted for check-in of our luggage right at the airport and boarded the cruise shuttle. This made us feel as if our vacation had already started as soon as we landed in Seattle. We didn't have to worry about the Uber and all the transportation mess. The check-in process was a breeze as we had the premier package and the medallion was already shipped to us. The staff was very helpful and efficient, so I don't think the other line, which was slightly longer, would have had any bad experience. After scanning the medallion and checking our documents, we are on our way to board. This was an opportunity to take some photos with their mascots. We boarded by 11:30 a.m., which gave us plenty of time, but as you can see, quite a lot of people had already boarded and were hanging out around the ship. We had to do the mandatory check-in at our designated floor before we could go anywhere else. The staff was very helpful in getting us there and made sure that we did that as the first step before doing anything else on board. The central area of the ship, called the Piazza, was beautiful and lively all the time. We decided to spend time here later, and we were hungry, so we head to the top where the lunch buffet was in full swing. Everyone was here and was having a good time eating, as there was plenty of variety to satisfy everyone. From gluten-free desserts to hot burgers, it was just awesome. We were pleasantly surprised to see a lot of Indian chefs and a good amount of Indian food choices. I could not resist and tried the following: chicken curry, Goan fish curry, dal, pulao, chapati, coconut rice, and crackers. I could not, for the best of my ability, guess why they messed up the Indian bread, roti. I wish they had used a regular flour instead of something I just don't know what it was. I wish they had avoided. That said, the overall food was quite excellent. We ate all we could and much more, and still had not tried everything that was on offer. The desserts were excellent all round. We dined at their specialty restaurants in different times of the cruise, which I'll be covering in subsequent videos. The drinks package was included as part of the premier package, and we tried many different drinks throughout. The feature where they deliver the drink to you by tracking you with your medallion was a hit and a miss depending on the crowd. It worked well at lean times and less crowded spaces, but it didn't work otherwise. All that excitement and cheer did put us in the right mood to say goodbye to Seattle and get excited about heading to Alaska. I had not made reservations in advance in their specialty restaurants, so on the first day we just headed to their regular dining restaurants, Juno. The dining room itself, as you can see, is well appointed. Their sail away dinner menu was quite nice, flavorful, no complaints. About the specialty restaurants, if you can book ahead in time, well and good, but they do accommodate uh, not walk in, but they would accommodate you for the next day. So if you don't have reservations, don't hesitate to reach out to them and ask if they can accommodate you either on the same day, maybe at a later time, or next day. They usually do, and they were very nice to accommodate us in most of the places, so we did get to eat in their specialty restaurants in other times. The piazza itself had a very different vibe at night. After spending some time in Piazza, we went to the theatre to attend the magic show on the first day. As we retired to the room, we had one more thing to do, the door decoration. Next day morning was our day at sea. We started the day with an instructor-led class for yoga, which is set up outside the gym. The gym is actually huge and well equipped. You will not be disappointed with the gym. We also attended a session on Alaska explaining all the wildlife and all the things that we could do in Alaska and we can experience in Alaska. It's just amazing. We then ate at different places, tried the pizza, spent some time in Piazza. There's so many things to do for everyone. You are not going to miss it. If you have FOMO, please be prepared to feel bad because you are going to miss some things. It is designed that way that no one can attend all things. In short, there is plenty to do for everyone of all age groups. You would not want the day at sea to end, but we were quite excited for what was lying ahead for us. Thank you for watching till the end. I can't wait to share the beautiful sights, fjords, waterfalls, and glaciers that we came across in Alaska. If you like this video, please consider like and subscribe and sharing with others. Thank you.